Do you also want that soft Korean look? Let's do it step by step. Step 1. Clean your skin properly. First use an oil cleanser, then a foam cleanser. This removes dirt and makeup completely. Step 2. Keep your skin hydrated. Apply toner, essence, and sometimes a sheet mask. This makes your skin glassy and glowing. Step 3. Always use sunscreen. Korean beauty is not about tanning, they protect their skin to keep it bright and healthy. Step 4. Makeup, go natural. Use cushion foundation for a fresh, dewy base. Don't apply too much, just enough to look smooth. Step 5. Brows and lips. Make your eyebrows soft and natural. For lips, try gradient lips, darker inside, lighter outside. Step 6. Add blush for a cute vibe. Apply blush high on the cheeks, it makes your face look young and fresh. Step 7. Hairstyle. Straight silky hair or soft waves complete the Korean look. Eyes first. Use a thin eyeliner close to your lash line, keep it small and natural. Add a little shimmer in the inner corner and under eye, go sal, for that cute Korean vibe. Curl your lashes and apply light mascara, long, not clumpy. Outfit. Go for pastel shades, white, peach, lavender, or beige. Choose soft and simple outfits like flowy dresses, pleated skirts, or oversized sweaters. Keep it minimal and cute. Accessories. Wear small pearl studs or dainty hoops. For a youthful touch, try heart or star-shaped earrings. Add a soft hair clip or headband to finish the style. And there you have it. Glowing skin, highlighted eyes, pretty outfit, and the perfect accessories for the full Korean look.